Hey, welcome back to a new video. If you've seen my posts, I got hepatitis A, but I'm not gonna let that stop me, I guess. So, I got a project. It's my mr8 mixer. The record button caved in when I was trying to use it. I mean, it works, but it's also had some control problems. The buttons, I think, got dust in them. So I'm gonna pull it apart, realign that, and maybe clean it out a bit. And since I can't go to school, might as well be doing something with my life. I've actually never pulled this one apart yet. Got like the wrong tools for the job. Actually, wait, is it still here? Yes, it is. Awesome. This one's way too long, but it's got the right tip. Just give me a tad more leverage on it. And also to my girlfriend, because she likes to watch my videos here and there. I shall be fine, I promise. And hopefully I'll see you on Monday. Don't know if I have to undo the feet on this. I might, probably. Oh, wait. Oh, that's great. That just undoes the entire battery compartment. Luckily, they're all the same length of screws, so... Wait, actually, I might need that undone, I think. Yeah. To do what I need to do, it'll be easier with that undone. Just putting it back together will be annoying. I think I gotta move these two. There we go. It's the inside of it. Got the crystal display. I could undo the ribbon cables, but I don't really need to. reduce risk. Do those knobs which don't want to come off usually. Oh wait, that's, never mind, I don't have to. That would be why though, was because I got a little thingies. Should just, oh wait, no it will not. So these. Let me see what happened. It broke the plastic arm, because this plastic's old. I'm gonna fix it, but it's gonna take a while to dry. Uno momento. Alright, I'm gonna use the only glue I really have, because my super glue turned into water, which probably isn't good. I used this old speaker glue, which works really well for anything, actually. All I can do is let it dry. So unfortunately, that's all for this video. Since I gotta let that dry, I might make a video of me putting it back together. But it's slightly cold out here, so you can see I'm in short sleeves. And yeah. I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.